afternoon. Today I'm here to provide you with the latest details of how we are aligning our vaccination plans with the latest recommendations from the federal government. Last week, Dr. Levine announced that we will be aligning our vaccination plans with those of the federal government. Effective today, we will be expanding our vaccination efforts in phase 1A to include anyone over 65 and people ages 16 to 64 with serious medical conditions that make them more at risk for severe illness to COVID-19. The CDC has defined this group as people who have conditions like COPD, cancer, sickle cell disease, and chronic kidney disease. Pregnant women also are included in this group. A full list of these medical conditions is available in our interim vaccine plan on our website. To help you determine when you are eligible for vaccination and how to get vaccinated, we have developed a tool on pa.gov to assist you. First, you can use the short vaccine eligibility quiz to determine if it is currently your turn to get vaccinated. If it is your turn to get vaccinated now, you will go to our interactive map to find a vaccine provider near you. Then you will schedule an appointment directly with that provider. We have contact information for all of our vaccine providers on the interactive map. Once you schedule your appointment, you will get a vaccination card that also serves as your reminder to get your second dose. And finally, you want to make sure that you schedule your appointment for your second dose to ensure that you are fully vaccinated. If you are a healthcare worker and you have not yet been vaccinated, please schedule your appointment today. If you do not work for a healthcare system and are a healthcare worker, visit pa.gov and use the interactive map to find a provider to schedule your vaccination. We are hearing from our vaccine providers that they have vaccinated all of the non-affiliated healthcare workers in their area, while at the same time, we are hearing from health workers that they have not yet been vaccinated. We want you to get vaccinated as quickly as possible. We know that Pennsylvanians are ready for the vaccine. In fact, there are about 15,000 people who pre-registered for vaccination through our PrepMod system. This is a legitimate registration system currently being used by our county municipal health departments to set up closed vaccination clinics for healthcare workers. Unfortunately, this pre-registration link was shared widely, and Pennsylvanians who are not healthcare workers pre-registered using this system. We're reaching out to those people today through email to let them know that they did not register for vaccinations. There are more than 3.5 million Pennsylvanians that are now in phase 1A of our vaccine plan. We must have patience as the amount of vaccine available in Pennsylvania and the nation remains limited. We want to ensure that the vaccine is provided to Pennsylvanians in a way that is ethical, equitable, and efficient, which is why we are taking this phased approach. We are asking all Pennsylvanians to know when it is your turn. This way we can make sure our most vulnerable residents can get vaccinated now. These are the people who are more likely to get very sick from COVID-19 and are more likely to die from it. If we can get them vaccinated quickly, we can save lives. While we are waiting, we must keep up our efforts to stop the spread of COVID-19 by masking up, washing our hands, and maintaining social distancing. I'm happy to take questions.